find a unit vector. Find a unit vector. Clear? Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector a plus b and a minus b, where vector a is I plus j plus k and vector b is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. First of all, find out vector a plus vector b. You know the sum of two vectors?
Yes.
So find out the sum of two vectors. So we have vector a I plus j plus k, vector b is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. So vector a plus vector b, add these two vectors,
2i
2i
plus 3j
plus 3j
plus
4k. Now find out vector a minus vector b.
0i
So a minus b, so 0i, then
minus j
minus j
minus 2k.
minus 2k. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Suppose this is vector u in vector u and this is vector v. Vector v. So vector u cross vector v. What is u cross v? You can write in the component form, no?
Yes, sir.
I, j and k. Clear?
Yes.
Now, so see here 2, 3, 4 component. This is also known as direction scalar component. 2 is it 2, 3, 4 are scalar component and 2i, 3j, 4k are vector component. Clear? And scalar component is also known as direction ratio. Clear? 2, 3, 4 is a direction ratio. So here I wrote A1, A2, A3. Now B1, B2, B3. Clear? Now you know how to expand the determinant?
Yes.
Expand the determinant. So vector u cross vector v is equal to I minus 6 minus 4, according to rule is minus sign, so will become plus 4. Minus j, remove this column and this row, minus 4 minus 0. Here k, remove this column, this row, minus 2 minus 0. So you will get here minus 2i plus 4j minus 2k. Vector u cross v is equal to vector p. Clear? Now you have to find out unit vector. No? So what is formula? You know the unit vector. Unit vector, vector A divided by mod of vector A. This is the unit vector. So unit vector P is equal to minus 2i plus 4j minus 2k divided by square root modulus, no?
Yes, sir.
So mod of square root, then become here minus 2 square plus 4 square minus 2 square.
24.
How much coming?
24.
24. So minus 2i plus 4j minus 2k divided by root 24. Root 24, 6 into 4. So square root 2 root 6. So 2 root 6. So here 2 is taken out. 2 is taken out. So here become minus I plus 2j minus k divided by 2 root 6. So 2 to cancel. 2 to cancel. So this one become minus I plus 2j minus k divided by root 6. Clear? So you can write minus 1 by root 6, 2 by root 6, minus 1 by root 6k. Clear? So this is your unit vector. find the area of a triangle having the points A 1 1 1, B 1 2 3, C 2 3 1 and its vertices. So draw a triangle ABC. Draw a triangle ABC. Vertices 1 1 1, B 1 2 3, C 2 3 1. Now you have to find out AB. What? Okay, vector A, B. It means A is initial point, B is the terminal point. Now write down. So B minus A, 1 minus 1. Which one is the last?
B.
B. So this one is x1, y1, z1.
Yes.
This one is x1, y1, z1. And here
X2, Y2, Z.
z2. So you know the position vector.
Yes.
x2 minus x1. So x2 minus x1. So 1 minus 1 is 0 I. 1 minus 1. Okay. Plus y2. Y2 is 2. 2 minus 1 j. 3 minus 1
K.
k. So vector AB. Okay. So vector AB is 0 I, here j and here 2. Clear?
Yes.
Suppose this is vector A and here this is vector B. So vector A you got.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Now find out BC. Vector BC.
One.
So how you will get? Suppose this one is now
X2.
C is the terminal point. C is the terminal point. So 2 minus 1 I, clear? Plus 3 minus 2 j plus 1 minus 3 vector k. So here you got I j minus 2k. Vector B.
Yes.
So vector A and vector B. What is the area of a triangle?
Half.
Half into mod of vector A cross vector B.
Yes.
Morning discuss. Clear? So area of a triangle is equal to, formula is 1 by 2 mod of vector A cross vector B.
Yes.
This is the formula. So before that one mod, you have to find out vector A cross vector B. So vector A cross vector B, how you get? I j k. Clear? What is component of vector A?
0, 1,
0 1 2. So 0 1 2. Clear? 0 1 2. Now what is vector B?
1, 1 minus 2.
1 1 minus 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Now you find out. Now find out. Okay, multiply.
Yes, sir.
Tell me vector A cross vector B.
Minus 4i
Minus 4i
plus j
plus 2j
minus k.
minus
K.
k. Now find out mod of vector A cross vector B. Minus 4 square, 2 square, minus 1 square. So how much coming?
221.
16 plus 4, 20 plus 1,
221.
root 21. So area of a triangle, area of a triangle ABC is equal to half into root 21 what? Square unit. Square unit. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Okay. Find the area of a parallelogram. Find the area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by the vector A. Vector A is given 3I plus J plus 4K, and vector B is I minus J plus vector K.
Okay.
Clear? So formula is, what is formula?
Mod of vector A plus
Area of a parallel. Yes. Area of a parallelogram is equal to mod of vector A cross vector B. This is the formula. Area of a parallelogram. So before finding the area, what you have to find out?
side.
Vector A cross vector B.
Yes.
Vector A cross vector B you have to find out. So vector A cross vector B. Clear? So here in determinant form I, here J and K write down. Then what is the component? Scalar component?
3.4.
3, 1, 4. 1 minus 1, 1. Okay?
Yes.
Now write down here I, unit vector I, 1 plus 4
Yes.
minus J. Clear?
3 minus
So remove this one, you know already here wrote. This is a plus, minus, plus. No? Indeterminate. Clear? So now here J. Now remove this one. Second column and here first row. 3, 4, 1, 1. Okay, write down. So 3 into 1, 3 minus 4. Clear?
Yes.
Now plus K. Here remove third column and first row. So 3 into minus 1. So minus 3 minus 1. So 5I plus J minus 4K. Clear? This is the vector A cross vector B. Now you have to take mod. So mod of vector A cross vector B is equal to square root 5 square 1 square minus 4 square. So here become 25 plus 1 plus 16. How much? Root 42. Clear? Unit. Okay. Area of a parallelogram. So area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is equal to square root 42.
Square.
Okay. Unit. Clear? Okay. Question number 1. Find mod of vector A cross vector B. So first of all you have to find out vector A cross vector B. Then after take mod. Number 2. Find unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector A plus B and A minus B, where A and B are given, just like previous question. Okay, you have to find out vector A plus vector B, another one vector A minus vector B. Clear? That is vector U and V. Then after find out vector U cross vector B, that is vector P. Clear? Then after find out unit vector. Now question number 3. Clear? So how you will solve? If a unit vector A makes angle pi by 3 with I, pi by 4 with J, and acute angle theta with K, then find theta and hence the component of vector A. You have to find out. Okay? Exercise 10.4. Question I am not writing. Okay? Number 3. Let vector A is equal to Li Mj plus Nk. L is equal to cos alpha I, cos beta j and cos theta k. Clear? So alpha is equal to, here it is given alpha is pi by 3. Clear? Beta is, okay, here cos gamma, okay. Beta is equal to pi by 4 and gamma is equal to theta, suppose. Clear? So vector A is equal to cos pi by 3i, cos pi by 4j plus cos theta k. Okay? So vector A is equal to cos 60 degree 1 by 2i, 1 by root 2j and cos theta vector k. Clear? So now taking the mod of vector A is equal to square root 1 by 2 square 1 by root 2 square cos square theta. Any doubt? So since A is a unit vector, what is here? A is a unit vector. So mod of vector A is equal to how much? 1. So right here mod of vector A is equal to 1. So vector A is a unit vector. No, vector A is a unit vector. So this one is equal to 1. Here square root 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Here cos square theta. Clear? Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Okay? 1 here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus cos square theta. Clear? So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So LCM how much? 4. So 4 minus 1 minus 2. Clear? So how much coming? 1 by 4. So cos square theta is equal to 1 by 4. So cos theta is equal to how much? Plus minus 1 by 2. So if theta is an acute angle, okay? So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, case first. Clear? So cos 60 degree. Cos theta, cos 60 degree is how much? 1 by 2. So theta is equal to how much? Pi by 3. Clear? Got?